Welcome, my name is Trey, and this is my first video filming. There are 3 Yorks. Come over here, Dad. This one has the 3-bladed fan, but as you can see, it has some rust on it. And the other one has the 5-bladed fan, and that one's a York. And I believe these two are stray cool units. Welcome back. And here is a really old York air conditioner. You can see how it has some rust on the blades and some on the top. And the data sheet does not say if it's a stray cool unit or a heat pump. This has a 2-bladed fan, but I believe it's a stray cool unit. And here we have probably a 10-ton air conditioner with 3 blades, and I believe this is a stray cool, and the other one I bet is a heat pump, and I bet this is like a 5 or 6, probably 10 or 12 ton. And this has 3 blades, and I never knew that they had these air conditioners at my daycare before. And we have whoa! And listen to that! It's very noisy. Wow. And I think all the other air conditioners are quieter than this brand new York. That was really loud. And when that light was flying, the air conditioner turned on. Another air conditioner with the 3 blades. And this one, I bet, is a stray cool unit. And now there's 2 more air conditioners I'd like to build. Out. Really big York. It has 3 blades on 4 sides. And I believe this is probably a stray cool, or it could probably be a heat pump. I do not know. I'll have to look at the data sheet. It's got to be, might be inside. I do not know, but I believe this is probably a heat pump or stray cool. And I can't believe that there were blades on top of here. I didn't know that. And we're still at my daycare, and there are 2 more air conditioners I'd like to film. Out. This is a newer Lennox air conditioner in a very old Rheem Classic 10. Super high efficiency. Hey! Oh! And this one has a 3-bladed fan, and this one is. I believe this is a stray cool unit, and now we'll move on to the Lennox. And I believe this is a heat pump, and it has 4 blades, and I think this is newest to the property of the building. Listen, my dad just hit the compressor. And this has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been a Tan Fan production. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.